Hello, welcome to MeasureSquare Multifamily Tutorials. Let's take a look at how the MeasureSquare mobile app is oriented so we can understand how the workflow will go. The home screen is where you can easily view and access all of your properties or units that you have measured. Best practice is to sync your unit drawings on Wi-Fi at the end of each day, then you will have a backup of all of your properties on the cloud. Tap the search icon to search by name, email, phone number, and so on, or even search by the filter using our tags. Let's create a property so we can explore the workflow inside of a unit. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right and name the property Unit A Pine Terrace. Now we are in the blank takeoff screen. We'll see the home screen at the top left that takes us back to the previous screen. The Tools menu will contain some of your go-to tools such as Room by Size and the Free Draw tool for room drawing, legends and instructions for marking up your takeoff for your seam diagrams, and most importantly, Distance Meter at the very bottom to connect your Bluetooth distance meter, such as the Leica D1, D2, or E7100i, as well as the Bosch GLM Pro 50C and 100C. Then we have the Widget Panel, which will include objects such as doors, cutouts, and stairs. The share icon will give you the ability to share the actual MeasureSquare file with another user via email, save to another app, or export as a DXF file to be imported to a program such as AutoCAD. The settings are where you can access various estimating defaults and system settings such as default for the door width and other drawing settings. The question mark will connect you with various resources to learn how to use the app, such as our Quick Start Guide connected to our free and public knowledge base, searching our knowledge base, release notes, and even submit a support question directly from the app. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and tutorials for all MeasureSquare products.